Hey budget gardeners, Vita Loca here. Join me today as I show you how to harvest seeds from a lupin plant. So let's go. So I want to show you a couple of things regarding the seed pods here. Here is a seed pod that has already opened and it released its seeds. So you definitely want to collect your lupin seeds before the seeds get released from the seed pod. Here's another example of a seed pod that had opened and released its seeds. But here's a seed pod that still has seeds in it. When you're looking to collect your lupin seed pods, you want to do it when the seed pods are brown, but you want to do it before they open up like this. If you collect the seed pods when they're green, they most likely are going to have seeds in them that are not ripe. Typically with most plants, if you collect the seed pods with seeds that are not ripe, they will not germinate. So you want to wait until the seed pod is ready and the seeds are ripe inside. Also, what's nice about the lupin is when you shake it, you can hear it makes a rattling sound. That tells you there's seeds in there. So let's go ahead and open this one. And you can see the seeds are in there. You can just pull them out. And then when it comes to this material here, the shaft, you can just discard it or throw it away. And notice that the seeds are a brown color. Again, if they were green, that means they're not ripe or ready for picking. Let's do one more. This one, you can hear the rattling. So let's go ahead and open this one together. And there are the seeds. So you actually get quite a few seeds out of a seed pod. And these are a perennial here in zone 5B. And I will pop up information on the screen on whether or not these particular seeds need a cold stratification period in order for them to germinate. I like to store my seeds in a small Ziploc bag. You can store it in a paper bag or something else that you like. The key is to make sure that the seeds are fully dry. And I'll fold this paper in half and I will then use it as a funnel to funnel the seeds off the paper into the Ziploc bag. I like to be good about labeling my bags. So it's a lupin, it's a mix of different colors. I collected it from my friend Linda's house in the town that she lives in of Loudon. That's the year I collected the seeds, 2023. And I'm putting a dime here so you can just see the size of the dime in reference to the size of the seeds. And you can also see the size of the dime next to the size of the seed pod. What I'm planning to do for my lupin is I will be winter sowing them this coming winter in milk jugs. And I'll show you how to do that. But if you want, you can also scatter them outside, just on the ground. Or you could start them indoors under grow lights if you like. You can see I have a ton of grow lights behind me. I'll be doing a lot more videos indoors as the weather gets colder. So be sure to check out those videos. Lots of seed starting that will be beginning in probably December or January. I hope you learned a lot regarding collecting your own lupin seeds. I noticed with my backyard plant nursery, there were a ton of people that wanted lupin. It's such a popular plant. And I can see why. It really is so beautiful. I personally don't have a ton of it in my yard, and I really want to have more lupin in my yard. So I will absolutely be winter sowing these this winter to transplant in my yard next spring. I hope you are enjoying your gardens, and until the next video, make it a great day with gardening.